Hello viewers, in this video, I will discuss how can you spread the text underline on the background using the hover effect. Let's move on to the code. I have a menu. I want to apply the text underline hover effect. Look at the CSS. When the cursor hovers over the link, the text color will turn white. The position property specifies the type of positioning method used for an element. Z-index property is used for the stack order of an element. An element with a negative value is always at back in stack order. You should note that Z-index only works on positioned elements and flex items. Left property affects the horizontal position of a positioned element, and bottom property affects the vertical position. Change the background color to green. Add transition property. Add transition property. It allows you to change property values smoothly over a given duration. Now we will write the last lines of our style. Apply the hover effect on, after, the pseudo-element. And add height 100% to expand the background. Now check the result in the browser. That's great. You can create an attractive design by using the transition property. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for our next videos.